Every step you take connects you to a surface, space, or place, and the moments and feelings you experience along the way. But there's no connection like the one you have with your home. It's your foundation for life's most meaningful moments. One company has found a way to make the process extremely convenient, keeping homeowners from coast to coast absolutely floored.
Hi, I'm Tracy.
Hi, I'm John.
And we live in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. When we moved here, everything was white on white on white. And we walk to the beach, we have dogs, and we wanted something that was gonna be a little bit more lifestyle friendly. It all started with flooring. That's how it started, because I was going crazy with my grout. He couldn't stand hearing about the grout anymore. And so that's how we started this whole process with finding floors.
I would say that flooring is your base for your design. Flooring is where you should start and you build up from there. That's kind of your backdrop. The flooring, walls, and ceiling kind of all plays a really big role in how your final design comes out. Once you decide on your flooring, then you can start looking at your cabinetry, your wall colors, and then build based upon what your base is.
With Floor Coverings International, we're going to be there for you from start to finish. So from the initial picking out of the product all the way to the install.
FCI was literally a showroom in a truck that came to my house, that brought the actual samples.
We have a mobile flooring showroom. It's really our partner in crime. It allows us to meet anywhere, wherever a homeowner is or a business owner, and we can bring them full-size samples so they can match it up next to their furniture, next to their kitchen cabinets, look at their lighting.
It was a no-brainer. From that point on, I knew that I didn't have to go anywhere else. We chose Floor Coverings International because the price was right. Every person that we spoke with at the company was so professional, so friendly, so eager to answer every question we have, helped our designer with every step of the process. It was effortless.
There's local owners from coast to coast. You're going to be able to find an FCI location close to you.
For anyone, I would go straight to Floor Coverings International. You don't have to leave your house. They have a full selection of everything you need. And it's one-stop shopping, and their prices are phenomenal. I wouldn't go anywhere else.
To learn more about Floor Coverings International and how they can help you furnish your home with high-quality floors, visit fcifloors.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information.